Welcome back, children. This is second part of your video of the same chapter. Now the topic is the Silicon Valley. What is the importance of Silicon Valley? Why is it famous? Let's come to know. Considered the birthplace of the IT industry, the Silicon Valley lies in the Santa Clara country of the state of California. The Silicon Valley is the area 30 to 40 miles south of San Francisco, radiating outward from Stanford University. The Silicon Valley encompasses the adjacent cities of Palo Alto, Menlo Park, Redwood City, San Carlos, Los Altos, Mountain View, Sunnyvale, Cupertino, Santa Clara, Campbell, and San Jose. This valley is famous for all these types of major productivity of the goods. It has expanded to Alviso, Milpitas, Morgan Hill, and as far south as San Diego. The foundation of this dynamic valley were set as the end of World War II. At this time, Professor Frederick Emmons, chairman of the Department of Electric Engineering, Stanford University, was concerned that his best graduates had to go to city of the East Coast to find employment. He encouraged his students to start their own electronic companies in the area instead of joining established firms in the East. Faculty members soon joined in consulting, investing, and sometimes founding new companies. In the 1950s, the Stanford University leased out land on a long-term basis to industry, and the Stanford Industrial Park was founded. The goal was to create a center of high technology close to the university. Terman encouraged industry to use the talents of the university. Students got their research funded by the industry. In 1951, Varian Associates and then Eastman Kodak, General Electric performed line products, Admiral Corporation, Shockley Transistor, Laboratory of Beckham Instruments, Lockheed, Hewlett, Packard, and other high-tech companies were granted lease. In 1955, Syntex, Shiva, Zucon, Alja, and Dynapol established their branches at Stanford Industrial Park. Thousands of East Coast engineers who were brought here to work during the war stayed on to create a valley that shaped the future of world commerce. The Fairchild semiconductor industry was started in Palo Alto in 1957 by 8 young electronics specialists. Subsequently, its employees started 38 new companies, one of which was Intel. So up to here we have studied. Rest we shall discuss in the next video with the new chapter and new topic. Till then, thank you.